Well, hey there, everybody. You're traveling with Jack, and as I always say, my heavenly wife, Pam. We're out and about on a beautiful blue sky day in the Lone Star State of Texas in world-famous Cisco, Texas, just off Interstate 20 between Abilene and Fort Worth. You're probably saying, world-famous Cisco, Texas. It is world-famous. Did you know this is the birthplace of CONRAD Hilton? You're thinking, CONRAD Hilton, why do I know that name? That's right. It's the guy that started the famed Hilton Hotel chain. They've actually got a visitor center here and a historic site, and what a cool little town. So I thought we'd just kind of walk around and check things out. So here we are along the main street, and take a look at there. They even got a brewing company here, the Red Gap Brewing Company. Lots of pickup trucks. We are in Texas, folks. Across the way over there, it's a place called the Bombshell Beauty Parlor. You gotta love this. Up ahead there is the almost world famous JT Ranch Quilt Shop. And oh, by the way, there's also a florist in there as well. So we're just gonna kind of walk along here and check out the town. Looks like an interesting place over there, the Slowpoke Farm Market. Daily lunch specials, homemade pie and bread, and fresh roasted coffee. There we are. This is really a cool little town. Polka Dots and Spurs Boutique, located in the back, it says. Hey, you got a tooth problem? Look at here. We got the local dentist office up here. Here's the Wildflower Florist. Wonder if the dentist is still in operation. Well, that's an old sign. Well, it certainly is. Jared K. Donald, dentist. Here's an old brick street. If you're into antiquing, that looks to be the thing here. Lots of antique shops. This is, oh wow, look at this. This is an old Rexall drugstore. And now, look at the old bottles and things in there. Oh, the building's for sale. Sale price only $150,000, includes a 3-story main and back building. Well, you Californians, you'll run here probably and pay that with your pocket change. Another antique shop. Over there's an insurance office. Yeah, we got a local attorney at law, Landon Thompson, in case you have some legal needs when you're coming through Cisco, Texas. Another coffee shop, looks pretty cool. This is called Waverly's Coffee and Gifts. Oh, we got another law firm. The Mahan firm, meetings by appointment only. Well, I should hope so. Up here, something called the Spotted Zebra. Oh, it's for sale too. Just contact Karen Mitchell, it says, and Karen will set you up. As we continue along the way, this is just a really, really cool town if you like historical buildings as well. In fact, look at that building up ahead. Look at the catwalk on the side. Look at that in this little town of Cisco, Texas. Look at the entrance to it. Lots of history here. And this building is for sale as well. Lots of property for sale in this old historic Texas town of Cisco, Texas. As we continue our little journey here. Really a nice day. I want to tell you too, the folks are really friendly. Everybody I've run into here in Texas, they're ready to have a conversation. Drink Coca-Cola, says it relieves fatigue for just a nickel. Oh, if it were only that easy, huh? Unique finds and gathering place. This is called Ruby's Pearls. And then up ahead here, well, you know, we had the local attorney offices. Here's local law enforcement. We got the police department, got the courthouse, and we got the city hall. Heidi. All right, we're pretty much at the end of the main street here in Cisco, Texas. Hope you've enjoyed this little trip down For some, maybe memory lane. Maybe you were here. Pam and I visited here years ago, and it was cool then. It's still cool now. Hey, look up ahead. The CONRAD Hilton Center. I told you he was from here. And looks like they've got a nice little picnic area you can hang out at. Check out all those cool bikes in the trees. I think they got some artists in this town, don't you? Continuing on just briefly. So over there's the CONRAD Hilton Center, and there's a statue of the man himself out there. And then I am almost guessing this building, I wonder if this was a Hilton Hotel, maybe the original. Yeah. It says apartments for rent. Not bad. Not bad. And there it is, the CONRAD Hilton Center. So there you have it, friends. A little walking tour of Cisco, Texas. Nice little town here, as I mentioned, between Abilene and Fort Worth. Just a few miles off the interstate. Oh, I mean, like a couple of miles. So you should certainly check it out. Be sure and subscribe to our channel. That's Traveling with Jack and Pam. Share it with others. And don't forget to my podcast, The Jack Church Show. Until we see you again, make it a great day and a better tomorrow. Bye now.